What is that?
What is that? Did he score? We finally arrived at Chuck E. Cheese, and I think ready to have a little party, you know?
A little fun, if you will.
I love one of these. Alright, don't even worry about it.
I think you should let me do it. But what is this?
What is this? Wait, what is this?
Pink wok.
Liquid pain? Liquid pain.
Drink it.
Causes you a lot of pain.
So then what? Why would I drink it?
Wait, hold on, I'm gonna take a sip. Wait.
You're gonna...
What?
You gonna drink it?
Okay, so we're just gonna walk past Frank, David, Hugh, Janus, my boys.
He's honestly my personal favorite worker.
Ooh.
Wait, give me 1 second.
Is he waking it?
What?
Look! Come here!
Wait.
Jorge, he's stroking his meat.
Where?
Look at him!
Okay, you know what? Here's my thought. Right. Okay, stop getting jiggy with it. Okay.
Sorry. Alright, what's up?
If I can't see him, you can't see me.
It's true. Oh, you're right. Oh, hold up. I gotta take a little sip. What?
Oh. I lived. I lived.
Okay, pop it. Oh, that scared the fuck out of me.
What?
What?
I'm sorry. What?
Wall hacks. He used fucking wall hacks on you.
Okay, you don't see him, he doesn't see you.
True. Oh my god, please. Whoa, where do we go? Are we in Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria?
Just jump into the yellow tube.
Do we go down the yellow?
I mean, there's an arrow pointing to it.
Oh my god. Are you back?
Hey, what's up? Where am I? Where are you? Okay, there's like a black tiled room going forward, and if I go to the left and turn around, there's a white tile. Oh!
Oh! You scared the shit out of me.
Sorry.
Okay, let's go check it out, bro. It doesn't even look bad. Alright, wow.
Okay, so upon further inspection,
I think we need...
You died.
Look.
Geronimo? Cannonball? I think it's cannonball time, baby! Yeah! It was like cannonball. Who's taking a shower in here?
I don't know, God himself? Like, this shit looks a little pristine. Okay, I know not to go down there. That's what we know.
Okay,
yeah, that's not it.
That is a big no-no. Oh, well, unless you want to get clapped. But this also seems a little, like, there's something...
No. Look.
What?
That's it.
Oh.
Alright, don't fall in, bro.
Like, you're about to get snatched.
I ain't getting snatched. Not me, bro. Uh-oh. No! Okay, run.
Right side.
Yup. Right here. Yup. Boom. Psych. I'm out. Kobe. Boom. Yup.
Go in the room.
Ah!
I'm dead.
Ready, set, go.
Alright.
Okay. This ain't nothing, bro. This ain't nothing. Don't even worry about it.
Dude, I've outran many things in my life.
Yup. I need some slick maneuvers. Woo!
No, it was the right
side. You don't go in there. We gotta both make it. You ready, bro?
I'm going.
Go! Nope. Got the wrong guy. The wrong boys. Do you know who we are? Boom. 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 Oh. Oh. Come on. Let's go. He's right on me, bro. Like he's right on me, bro.
Ah!
He's on me. Woo! Yeah, bitch. Oh.
Pretty damn sure.
He's getting a little jiggy. Like he's gotta hit that.
I hate
All right,
it.
Jorge. You got any stories for today? You got any childhood stories you want to tell us?
I fell. I hit my head in the gravel, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Okay. And like I gotta be a sec. And like I tripped playing like a game when I was
Yeah.
in Idaho, and like I hit my head like in the forehead in the gravel. Oh.
What? 32. I don't know. I think there's a timer. We gotta be quick. Grab everything you can. I think there's 32 tapes, bruh. That's insane.
He's coming, he's coming, he's coming.
I don't care. Let him come.
He's
Let
following
him.
you, he's following you.
Ah! I died, bro. You want to restart? Or...
1, 2.
3, 4, 5.
He fell. I died.
Oh!
I think
Alright, just go to the TV. I'm just gonna get this last one.
we got all of them, we got all of them. The TV's moving, making noise.
Yes, sir. What'd that do? Oh, what is that? What is that?
I'm gonna go touch it. I'm gonna go touch it. I wanna touch it. I wanna touch it.
Woo!
Hey!
Oh! Fuck that last guy. Fuck the party, bro.
Well, the party wasn't too bad.
Nah, fuck the party. I didn't want to be there.
You said it was a lame
I
party?
think I wanted to be there. Bro, that goofy ass party. Did you see the guests?
True.
Not my type of people.
They were pretty rude.
Oh, that stuck. That was weird. 94?
What? How do
That
you
was a
jump
big-
from 49 to 94?
Oh, now we're back to 51, so it makes sense. So anyways, okay, what were you telling me, bro, that story?
Hey.
Alright, Jorge, you got any stories for today?
Where did I leave off?
You like fell on your head or some shit.
Oh, yeah. I fell, right?
Uh-huh.
And instead of using my hands to catch myself, I put my hands behind my back. So my face is what caught me on the floor.
Are you being serious?
I'm being serious.
Bro, you're fucking... I was about to...
And I had like little,
You're fucking stupid.
I like gravel in my forehead and like marks that lasted for a few hours.
You turned into Vision. Here, wait. I'm gonna go first, bro.
Alright, go on.
Alright, bro.
I'll see you on the other side, man.
Geronimo! Oh shit. Oh my god. I don't want to hit anything. Oh my god.
I'm
Oh.
coming behind you. I'm catching up to
Oh.
you. I'm
Oh my
catching
God.
up. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
How are you going faster than me? What the hell?
I'm going. Get me out of here.
How'd you go faster?
I'm getting out.
Oh.
Oh, wait.
Bro, we made it to Windows XP.
We're home.
Do you want to see my cribble though?
Oh,
Here,
yeah.
hold on, here.
Let's go.
Here, let me show you. Let me show you what I've done with the place. This is my bed. I didn't make it, so don't be too hard on me.
Nice couch. I got some nice couches in here.
I locked myself out of my own
Oh,
bedroom.
okay, well, you're not very smart for that. You know what?
Let's just
I'll rate your
let's just
house.
go.
Oh, no, I'm rating your house at 5. I'm closing the door.
Yeah, honestly, bro, fuck that house. That wasn't even mine. That was someone else's.
There's music. We need to get inside. We need to get inside. We gotta go inside. We gotta go inside.
What's happening?
Get inside. Please, let
It's
me
so
in.
dark.
Let me in. We gotta get inside.
I can't move.
Oh, I'm dead.
Ah! I'm done with this stupid town, bro.
What is this, up?
Look at me go. Oh boy.
Was that not the last level? That's
We're getting what? I thought we weren't going back to circuses, bro.
I didn't want to. Like, I'm sorry. Like, was one with like such effort. How you like? Ew.
What is that? What is that?
It's Krusty the Clown. Remember?
What is that?
Krusty the Clown.
It only attacks when you can't see him. Watch your back.
He's waving at me. I'm gonna wave back. Hello, friend. How are you? I'm good.
Okay, there's a puzzle here. There's a puzzle here.
Cheez-Its, Doritos, burritos. Those are chips and snacks.
For real though? Here, look away from him. Oh!
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Okay.
What is that?
What is that? Did he score?
Oh my god!
Your turn.